Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify consistent spacing in React component branding mockup step by step clearly. Open your design tool where you created the branding mockup. Start by examining the overall layout of your component. Identify the main elements that require spacing verification. Ensure the grid or baseline is visible in your mockup. Select the first element you want to measure. Use the ruler tool or measuring feature in your design application. Check the distance between this element and the next adjacent element. Record the measurement for future reference. Repeat this process for all major elements in the mockup. Compare the recorded measurements against your design specifications. Look for any inconsistencies in spacing. If you find any discrepancies, adjust the elements accordingly. Make sure to maintain alignment and coherence with the overall design. Review the updated mockup to ensure consistency. Consider validating your measurements with a peer for a second opinion. Finalize your adjustments once you're satisfied with the spacing. Save your updated mockup for further development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.